Hey everyone, what's up? It's Steph here and we are officially on day 1 of our 21 days to a clean home, restarting the baby steps. I'm so excited. So this 21 days to a clean home system is made by me, but based very heavily on the Fly Lady system. So if you've ever wanted to try Fly Lady, this is the perfect time. I will have a new short video every day for 21 days. So we've got 1 through 21 covering these 21 habits and tasks that you can add to your daily life and your daily routine to make your life easier and get your house clean. And I promise by the end of this process, your house is not gonna look perfect, but it's going to look pretty darn good. So please join me for the next 21 days. Make sure you grab your printable. It's totally free. I'll link to it in the description. Make sure you print that off and we're gonna get started right here with day number 1. So day number 1, following the Fly Lady's lead at the core of the system, we're gonna shine our sink. Task number 1, it's not complicated. If you have dishes in your sink, don't worry about it, just pull them out. You do not need to clean your kitchen to get your sink shine. The whole point of shining your sink is to accomplish something, get that first check mark, and really just get started. So let's get started right now. We're gonna shine our sinks together. All right, let's keep it super simple. I just use regular old dish soap and a scrubby sponge that I use for my dishes. One side has a scrubby pad, one side is a sponge. You could use a dishcloth though, or just whatever you have. I basically put a little bit of water in the sink, a tiny bit of dish soap, and then I scrub it all down and make it shine. If you have any areas that have collected any hard water or some calcium buildup, you can spray those with a little bit of vinegar. I like to wipe down the little plug inserts for my sink and just get everything cleaned up really well. Another thing I like to clean out is that little soap dish that holds my bar soap. We're having to wash our hands a bunch right now, so I like to get that nice and clean the edges of the sink and the faucet. I use my toothbrush, or sometimes I just have to get in there with my fingernail to scrape any extra deposits. So this is going to be the hardest time. It's going to take the longest to clean your sink, but if you keep it up every single day, it'll be super easy. Once I'm done scrubbing it all down, I give it a wipe with my cloth, rinse all that soap off, and the last thing that I like to do is bring a tea towel in and just shine it all up. If I leave it nice and dry like this, it stays clean and it doesn't get very many water spots on it at all. Okay, so it's that easy. If your sink is granite or porcelain or stainless steel like mine, just clean it up. It's never going to be as hard to clean as it was today. So from here out, we're gonna do this task every night after we finish our dishes for the whole 21 days. Don't worry if you miss a check mark here or there. We just want to get it done most of the time. All right, so let's go ahead and fill out our 21-day checklist now. Check mark number 1. So going across the top are the days of our 21-day baby steps, and then going down the side are all of the habits and tasks we're gonna add. So add that first check mark right now. Day 1, that's the biggest hurdle, is just getting started. I hope you will join me tomorrow. Day number 2, task number 2, we're gonna add another habit that's going to change your life and help you keep your house clean. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're gonna see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.